What's up, you guys? What a beautiful day we have here on Vancouver Island, Victoria specifically. Blue skies, puts a smile on my face. I'm in the Range Rover, the Loner. This is the autobiography Supercharged Sport. Unfortunately, my vehicle is still at the shop. It is complete, however they wanted to keep it for the weekend to do some start and stop cold stuff, just to make sure it's 100%. Huge shout out to Land Rover Jaguar Victoria for giving us this bad boy, because this is like double the cost of our vehicle pretty much. This model has a ton of other features. It's just really cool to drive. However, what's not cool about it is the fuel mileage. It cost me $136 to fill it up yesterday with premium fuel, and it's only gonna get probably less than half the mileage my diesel would get for $85. So my diesel for 85 bucks will go 850 kilometer range. It's insane. And for the most part, it's all Range Rover, just like this one. Got a bit of sound, like listen to it. So it's got a little something. I know you can tune these up to like 700 plus horsepower. I got a couple of buddies that have done it. I gotta head over to the DDHQ. I got something I wanna share with you guys once we get there, so why don't we jump over there? All right, guys, without further ado, here's the surprise. The Ferrari Scuderia is gonna be back on the streets with DDE. We're reinsuring it. We got all the paperwork done. We're just looking to finalize it on Monday. Can't wait to fire this thing up and just get it out into the sun. Let's not wait any longer. Let's put some heat in the engine. This car is absolutely amazing. It's my first Ferrari I ever bought. It's the second supercar I've ever owned. I think this car just has the most history with me. I've done so many things in it, road trips, rallies. I really value what this car is, its heritage, and that it's so special, right from Ferrari, right from the factory. Wow, guys, I missed the sweet, sweet sound of the Scuderia. So this car has some special features that the F430 did not have. For example, this has an E-diff in it, which is fully controlled here with the Manatino little switch. I want to call it a bean. It looks like a bean. I don't know. It'll go between wet, sport, race. This is where you start getting into limited traction control off, and you can't just pop it into full traction control off. It's got like spring loaded. You have to hold it for a few seconds. It'll beep and tell you you are now completely on your own. Don't be a moron. But if you're in race mode, something this car has that the F430 model didn't have is right here. And it's this special little button that looks like a little shock. And that's exactly what it is. It's called bumpy road mode. That was a really bad accent again. It's called bumpy road mode, you guys. And it'll show you on the dash. Of course, the dash is completely analog, but there is this one little digital spot right here that'll indicate to you things such as what gear you're in. It'll show the little shock absorber, which means you have engaged bumpy road mode. And you can soften the suspension if you are in cities, or let's say you were in Italy driving a cobblestone road. Another thing that makes this car super special is its lightweight materials. Full carbon fiber door panels. Carbon fiber all across the dash with little inserts. Alcantara everywhere. Metal floors, no rugs. Check that out. So you got bare floors in here. You have a fire extinguisher that's, I believe, standard. You even come with some fake money apparently. Full carbon fiber race seats. Like, check these out, you guys. How sick are those seats? And this is where I was saying that bumpy road mode is really handy, because the suspension is basically sending all of the road abuse up through this chassis, through the suspension. It's going to come through the car, directly through metal floors, onto basically you can see the seat is bolted right to the floor, and hard carbon fiber and very little padding. So that is transferring all that brutal harshness up through your back. And well, bumpy road mode is definitely a lifesaver at times. Other things that I love about this car is, of course, how beautiful the engine looks with all its carbon fiber components. It's just magnificent. I don't know, yeah, whatever. So what are the things we're thinking about doing to this car now that we're gonna put it back on the road and prep it for the 2018 Daily Driven Exotics Tour? Because we plan on taking this car and the HURACAN and driving all over Canada and the United States. We have multiple rallies already booked and planned, so we need to change the livery. New set of wheels maybe? How about some more noise? You guys want some more noise? We could put an exhaust on this car, which would be absolutely nuts because this car is pretty loud as it is already, but I mean, we need something to compete with the HURACAN. That car is loud. I'm stoked to get the Scuderia back on the road, and we're gonna do some tire slaying because look, I've been accumulating tires like nobody's business. These are all for the Scud. It's a 285 for the Scuderia right there and a 19. We're gonna shred these bad boys. Once the HURACAN's done, we should have like a little Scuderia versus HURACAN shred fest. Ollie brought some spare racing tires in so we can slap them on the Aprilia, which is right here. Now, if you guys didn't know, we're looking to get into some superbike stuff, mix it up on the channel. What do you guys think? Superbikes racing supercars. This Aprilia is the Aprilia RSV4RF. It's their like, almost like Scuderia. Could you say Scuderia edition Aprilia? Anyhow, it's the more racy version. It's pretty badass. I don't know a ton about bikes. We can ask Ollie more about it. It looks cool. Okay guys, check this out. We launched a membership website. Real quick overview of what that is and how that involves this big bag of money behind me, because you're gonna have a chance to win the bag with the money. First of all, the money's not real. It's movie prop money, but the bag's pretty cool. It's the only one we made. Listen, here's how you can play. dailydrivenexotics.com. It's our brand new membership website. You go there, you register. Registration's absolutely free. No cost to you. We post all sorts of exclusive content, but if you wanna be on like the inner donut, inner circle, get it? Donut? You can pay a small fee of $2.49 a month or prepay the whole year up front, 24 bucks, to help support the brand and all of our shenanigans and travel to make these epic videos for you guys, as well as get deep discounts to our merch, 20% off, and all of our partners that we work with. So guys like Royalty Exotics in Las Vegas, who have the sickest supercar lineup for rent, that you want to go and maybe rent your first supercar or rent a car that you're looking to buy, you can go and do that. And by knowing us and being an elite member, you're going to get a discount, save you a couple $100 off of the rental, depending on what you rent and how long for, of course. But here's how you can play. Become an elite member. Become a member, free. Upgrade to elite status. So you go register, go back after you've registered and click elite, and then upgrade to the paid membership. We have a point system that we keep track of. When you watch our videos, you're gonna see basically little achievement icon show up in the corner. For example, in this video, it's gonna say money. So right there, achievement unlock. You take that keyword, you go back to dailydrivenexotics.com and you enter the keyword and you get points. You can also collect points by being very engaged on our website. People can give you points for your comments. You can write a blog post, post a picture, put up videos. We as a community will reward you with points. There is then a leaderboard that will become active this Monday. So on Monday, the leaderboard should pop up on the website, and it's gonna reveal whoever's in first place so far. A week from this Monday, 1 week, 7 days, the top leader of the leaderboard on Daily Driven Exotics Elite, that person will be the winner of the duffel bag full of movie prop money. It's full of it. So that's it. That's our first giveaway. The super rare Daily Driven Exotics livery duffel bag full of cash. We were gonna be doing more giveaways. We'll give away a hat to the person who gets second place, and we'll give away like I don't know, we'll give away some other piece of merch, maybe a t-shirt or something to the person in third. And we're gonna do that on an ongoing basis. It's gonna be fun. We'll see how long someone can stay as the reigning champ at the top of the totem. That's kind of what we got going on. Now, I know some of you guys wanted bits and pieces of my wrap. This happens to be the gas tank cover We're gonna find a way to maybe frame some of this stuff, and we'll give some of it away, among other things, of course. We're not just gonna send you a piece of the wrap. That's kind of lame. We'll give away some more merch, we'll have some more prizes, and eventually we wanna do something big, like a really big giveaway. I know it's so cliche to say a car, but the odds are it'll probably be a car at some point. And that's gonna be it. I just wanted to do an update video. It's the weekend, it's beautiful out. The car is being redone. As soon as the Scuderia has its insurance in place, we will take it out onto the road and try not to get in any trouble around here. Probably will though. All right, you guys, smash that subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. We'll have the next video up. We're gonna start wrapping the HURACAN. If you want, buy some merch, support the channel. I'll see you guys later.